Hi, I'm tuned to Open G, GDG. I'd like to show you a fairly easy way of playing Jumpin Jack Flash, at least the chords of Jumpin Jack Flash, without using a capo or anything, just in Open G. So I'll play a bit of it for you. I'll start with the riff, I think. And now the intro and the solos are very similar. They start off down here as well on the 4th fret. Okay, so first of all, the riff. We're going to go to the 4th fret, hit it twice, then we're going to go 9, 11, and then 7, 7, middle and high. So just sort of stretch your hand out there. Once in a while I get emails from people saying they have a lot of trouble with that. If you leave your thumb over here, you will have a lot of trouble with that. You need to move your thumb to the back of the neck. Then you can see you sort of, all of a sudden your hand can sort of fly around all over the place. So in this case I use my 2nd finger on 9, little finger on 11, and then 1st finger for the 2 7s. For me, this is a very common fingering. I use it a lot. All right, so that's that. Now the chorus is 7, 14, 9, and 4. Same rhythm on each chord. Down, 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 up, down. Second time, you just let it ring and do the flourish, down, up, down. And then you either go back into the verse or back into the intro for the solos. Now, the guitar doesn't really play that note, the bass does. But we can't quite get the exact same notes that the guitar is doing. So I thought adding it in was kind of, filled it out a bit. And that's just a steady pedal. I think the first time it's bass, like that, and then it starts to pedal it. Alright, that should get you through all the parts of Jumpin Jack Flash by the Rolling Stones. Have a great day. Bye.